Hello everyone! Today I want to talk to you about the Assistive Technology project called Irazu. This project aims to provide a low-cost, accessible solution for people with physical disabilities. Irazu is a joystick with stick-and-puff switch designed for people with motor limitation, especially those with quadriplegia or degenerative conditions with head movement preservation. Its easy use and adaptability make it accessible for a wide range of users with different needs and abilities. In addition, it is open source and environmental friendly project, as it uses recycled materials and reduces the need to dispose of electronics devices. In summary, Irazu is an innovation that helps improve the quality of life of people with physical disabilities and reduce the environmental impact of technology, a great project that deserves to be known and spread.